The red toolbox icon on the Park Industries Toolbar is a very useful utility when cutting out sinks. In order to use it, you must first have a pilot hole and a sink millout style saved. And we must also have prepared geometry. And when we choose our sink cutout icon, we get a pop-up menu where we can set all of our parameters. Let's take a closer look at some of our choices. We'll have to select a style to use the mill bit to cut out our sink, and we'll have to select a style that uses the core bit to drill our pilot hole. We can select our styles by choosing the Browse button. This opens File Explorer so we can browse to the location where we saved our styles. They're normally saved on the operating system or C drive, in the AlphaCam folder, and in the Lycom dir folder, and then the Styles folder. They might be found in a subfolder if you've created one. I'm going to choose my styles out of my Titan 3700 subfolder that I created and saved my styles in. Here I'll choose my sink drop mill style. I can either select it and then open, or I could double click on it as well. Next I'll choose Browse to select my pilot hole. It's located in the same place. Local Disk C, AlphaCam, Lycom dir, and my Styles folder. My next choice is to apply a profile to the sink cutout, which I'm going to check because I want to choose a style that will profile and polish my sink. And here again, I'll browse to and select the style of my choice. My next selection is to park and pause the machine so we can remove the blank and pods if needed. And I won't be using Apply a Pilot Hole to lead out. I'm using the same pilot hole for both my lead in and lead out as I showed in the lead settings video. Now with all the parameters set to my satisfaction, I'm going to select what to cut as prompted on the bottom of the screen. Notice it also says Click Cut Start Point. This means that where you choose on the geometry is where it's going to set the lead in and lead out, just like when using tool direction. So I'm going to choose this location on the left side. And it applies the milling cutout and the pilot hole. And note how I am again asked to select geometry and a start point. If this was the only sink, I would right-click to finish, and the profile cuts would be applied. Or if I'm cutting multiple sinks in this program, I can go ahead and select another start point on another sink. And when I'm finished selecting all my sinks, then I can right-click and all of my profile cuts will be applied. The advantage of using it this way is all of my cuts will be grouped together to reduce tool changes. The park and pause will be applied to only the last sink cutout. I'll click OK and then open up the Operations panel to view all the cuts. Here we see there are 2 pilot holes being drilled, and then there are 2 mill bits being used, and then we have a pause after the second sink cutout, so we can remove the pod or the scrap if needed. And after the pause, we see all the profile cuts from our styles are applied, and they're all grouped together, which we'll see when we run it in simulation. Thank you for choosing Park Industries.